Hello everyone, welcome to GEM Basic Mathematics. Today we'll be looking at place value of whole numbers. In our previous class, we have done writing in million, billion and in trillion. So please, if you have not watched our previous video, please try and watch it, okay, so you'll be able to understand place value better. Here, we are told that we should find the place value of each digit, like each of these digits, that we should find the place value. And here we have 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 9, 3, 2, 5, 9, 8, 7, 9. Okay, now before you can solve this, there's something that we need to see. Okay, with that we'll be able to solve this particular question. So let's see it. Look at this. We have place value and we have numbers in words. In our previous class, I've taught you how to write million, billion, and trillions in words. Okay. Now here is one. This is one, and one is for what? That is units. 1 unit. This is just one. That's 1 unit. You have 10. This is 10. You have 100. This is 1,000. This is 10,000. 100,000. 1 million. Remember, I was saying million has was 60. You can remember in our previous class. This is 10 million, 100 million, 1 billion, 10 billion, 100 billion, and 1 trillion. This, if you are finding this thing difficult, okay, go back to our previous classes. We have done all this and I've explained to you how to get it, okay? Now we're looking at place value. Now, we're going to use this as a song, okay? That is, if you're able to learn this, you'll be able to solve any question in place values of whole number. Now let's go. We have place values of whole numbers are units, tens, 100,000, tens of thousand, hundred of thousand, million, tens of million, hundred of million, billion, tens of billion, hundred of billion, trillion. Let's go again. Place values of whole number are unit, tens, 100,000, tens of thousand, hundred of thousand, million, tens of million, hundred of million, billion, tens of billion, hundred of billion, trillion. Now with this song, you'll be able to write any question. What? You'll be able to solve any question in place what value. Now we are told to find the place value of each digit, okay? So we have 9. Let's write it out. 7, 6, 5, 4, 9, 3, 2, 5, 9, 8, 7, 9. Okay? I told to find the place value of each of them. Now, do you still remember the song I just taught you? Yes, now let's go. We have units, tens, 100,000, tens of thousand, hundred of thousand, million, tens of million, hundred of million, billion, tens of billion, hundred of billion, trillion. Okay, now this is the first method of what? Writing what? Place value of whole number. Now I'll teach you the second method. Okay, now know that this unit, the first number is unit. Now this is something as this is 7, okay? This is 7, so we're writing 7. After writing 7, what will you do? You cover it, just like what I taught you in our previous class. You cover it. Once you cover this, we have only one number down here. So we assume that that number is what? 0. So we are writing just 1 0 here. So this is 70. So this is 7 tens or what? Or 70. Now, the second one, or what we have here is what? 8. Okay? After writing 8, what will you do? Cover it. We have two numbers here. 1, 2. We assume that those two numbers are what? 0. So you're writing 0, 0. So you have 800, that is in west, or 800, depending on how you want to write it. So it's either you write this or you write this. Now the next one is what? We have what? 9. Are you there? Okay, cover it and count these numbers. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 numbers. We assume that they are what? Zeros. Okay, so writing 1, 2, 3. So this is what? 1000. Okay, or 9 what? 1000. Same thing with this, or 5. Once you write 5, okay, cover it and count the numbers. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So from here, 1, 2, 3. So this is what? 50 what? 1000. So continue like that. This is 2. Count, cover it. Count the remaining number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, comma. So this is 200,000. The next one, or this 3. Cover it. Count the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember I told you in the previous class that 6 zeros represent what? Million. So you have 6 here. So we assume that these numbers are what? 0. So writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is what? 3 words million. Either write it in words or in figure. Now look at this. Or 9. What will you do? Cover the 9. Count the remaining numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have assume that those numbers are what? 0. So we have 7 0 here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Oh, so let's count 1, 2, 3, comma 1, 2, 3, comma. Okay. This is what? 90 million. Now the next one, 4. Very simple. Okay. What will you do? Cover it. Count the remaining number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 zeros. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, comma 1, 2, 3, comma. So we have what? 400 what? Million. And the next one, this is what? 5. What would you do? Cover it and count the many numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 zeros. Okay. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. This is what? 5 billion. Remember in our previous class, I told you that billion has what? 9 zeros. Okay. Now we have what? Or 6. What will you do? Cover it. Count the many number from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, okay, this is what? 60 billion. The next one, we have or 7. What will you do? Cover it. Count the many numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 zeros. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you have, okay, this was 700 words billion. And the last one, or what is this? 9. Cover it and count the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you have 12 zeros. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you have, so this is what? 9 trillion. Okay, so please try and do what? Memorize this so you'll be able to write the place values of what? Whole numbers. Number 2, write down the value of the circle digits in 2, 4, 9, 6, 7, 3. That means you're asked to find the place value of what? 6. Remember, for us to write this, okay, we're starting from where? The left hand side. Sorry, the right hand side. This is the right hand side. Okay, just write it out. 2, 4, 9, 6. This is the circle. 7, 3. Can you still remember the song I taught you? With that song, you'll be able to do what? Solve this. So we have what? Units. Sing with me. Tens, hundred, thousand, tens of thousand, hundred of thousand, hundred of thousand. Okay, but remember we're only asked to find the value of 6. Only 6. Okay, 6 stands for what? 100. Or we Another method, this is units, or this is 7. Also, I said, what will you do? Close it and count the number here. The number here is what? 3. We assume that the 3 is what? 0. So we'll put 0 here. Or what is this? 6. Cover it and count the number, say 1, 2. You have 2 numbers here, so we assume that they are what? 0. Or this is 9. Once you write 9, cover it and count 1, 2, 3. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Or this is 4. Cover it and count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or write 2. Cover it and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're writing 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? But remember, we're only asked to find the place value of 6. So the place value of 6 is what? 600. That is 100. Is that you write it in what? Words or in figure. Now look at number 3. We're asked to find the place value of 2. The place value of 2. The place value of 2 in these digits. So if you don't want to do it like this, okay, and just write the answer. Okay, this is what? 2. Remember, we're only asked to find the place value of 2. So it's either you do it like this and get this, or you just write the answer directly. Now remember, we're starting from here. Now this here, we started here, which is this place. So we're starting from this place. Now let's go. Place values of whole number are unit, tens, 100, 1000, tens of thousand. So 2 stands for what? Tens of what? 1000. Or what? You write 2. Write this 2. What will you do? Cover it and count the many numbers. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have 1, 2, 3. So you have what? 20,000. We have come to the end of this lesson. Please remember to follow up, okay? Please try and follow, comment, and share. Thank you.